Hi, today I'm going to be talking about another resource called FlipGrid, and I hope you find this guide for teachers to be helpful for you. Do you want a big impact on your classroom? Do you want to empower student voice? If the response to these two questions is yes, FlipGrid is for you. So what is FlipGrid? In short, FlipGrid is a free educational focused platform that allows you to create and share short videos. Both teachers and students are able to create videos around certain topics. Then they can upload those videos to a grid for sharing, feedback, and topic-based responses. So why use it? I use it because I feel that it is a much more authentic way to learn. It allows you to do creative videos for all content areas. It amplifies student voices from K to 12. It really elevates text-based discussion, and this is great if you are a reading specialist or teach ELA. And it taps into the SAMR model, which I'm going to talk more about. So FlipGrid and the SAMR model. I'm going to go over how FlipGrid taps into these four domains. For substitution, students can create a FlipGrid video to engage in a discussion instead of just engaging with their peers face-to-face. For augmentation, all students engage in the discussion by adding comments and follow-up videos over an extended period of time, and I usually do it from anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks. For modification, students learn and can create their own grids with prompts about a certain topic, and then they request video responses from their peers, and then we'll analyze them for the class. And my absolute favorite is redefinition, and this is where students are able to connect and discuss their ideas and experiences with both professionals, experts, and other students from around the world through a feature called Grid Pals. So how can you use it with students? Along with using it with the SAMR model, you can use it for reflection, for book talks. You can use it if you're doing a flipped classroom and the students are assigned a skill to teach to their peers. You can use it for class presentations in science or history. You can use it for debates on a certain topic if you're doing argument writing or if you teach a history class. You can also use it just to connect with worldwide. And for me, it's been really neat to see students collaborate with and ask questions with people outside of the classroom, and it really takes their learning to a whole new level. So we're going to check it out. So we're going to go to flipgrid.com, and when you get to this web page, you are going to select Educator Sign Up. And obviously the first step, you have to create your account by logging in with your Google and or Microsoft account. And then it will ask you to share a little bit about yourself as an educator by entering in information and clicking the green Create Account button. And then after you create your account, we'll be able to walk you through how to create your first grid. So since I already have an account, I'm just going to do login with Google. And here we are on the teacher dashboard. So before I go over how to create a grid right over here, I want you to notice all these tabs at the top. My activity, my grids, Grid Pals. Grid Pals is what I would talked about earlier. So this is where you can connect with fellow FlipGrid educators and classrooms around the world. And this is an awesome opportunity to bring to your classroom. And then the next is the Disco Library, and it's really neat because FlipGrid understands the power of community and educators connecting and working together. And in this Disco Library here, you can choose topics that you feel would be perfect for your classroom, and they're already created. So it just saves some time for you as an educator. But we're going to go back to my grids. And I'm going to go through 3 easy steps to create a grid. So you're going to click on the Add New Grid button. We're going to create a topic title, and I'm going to say Demo for Class. And then you have to select a grid type. So who can join this grid? You can just put it to your class, to your students, or you can do public. For today, I'm going to do public. So anyone can respond to my grid. Then you're going to click and select the next button here. So your grid is ready. We did it. So now you have to decide how you want to share your grid with your learners. You can simply copy and paste this link and URL to your Google Classroom, or you can post this up on a smartboard and your students can put the link into their, into the web browser, or you can copy with the QR code. So you're all set. So thanks for listening to my video today. I hope that you try something new. And, like I said, FlipGrid allows learners of all ages to find their voice, share their voice, and respect the voice of others. So I hope you try it out today. The 2 standards that FlipGrid connects to are Global Collaborator. Students use digital tools to connect with learners from a variety of backgrounds and cultures, engaging them in ways that broaden mutual understanding. And FlipGrid does just that through Grid Pals. And also it allows them to be creative communicators. Students choose a platform and tool for meeting the desired objectives of their creation or communication. Thank you.